Hello everyone, Jerry Brimacombe here from Sector Learning Solutions. Just going to chat a little bit about collaboration and technology. One of the things we teach a lot of here at Sector is SharePoint, and do SharePoint consulting, of course. And it's an area that I really get excited about, and I was having a good conversation the other day about why do you get excited about that. And of course, it's because it fits with our corporate purpose statement of building human capability to create positive change. I truly believe that tools like SharePoint can make a difference in people's day-to-day jobs and therefore in their lives, because let's face it, we do spend a lot of time at work. So I wanted to chat a little bit about that and collaboration in particular. So when we define SharePoint as a tool, we talk about it as a collaboration tool, and a collaboration tool is something that is a tool. I usually define the tool first. Tool meaning something that makes a job faster, better, or easier. Faster, better, or easier. Trying to hammer a nail in with a rock, yes, you can do it. If you use a hammer, which is a tool, a better tool than a rock, you can do it faster, better, or easier. So collaboration, of course, is working together and working together towards a common goal is one way that we often define it. So when we collaborate, we work together towards a common goal. So a collaboration tool is something that helps us work together towards a common goal faster, better, or easier. Now, one of the collaboration tools that you all use, of course, is email. Yes, remember when you want to send a message out to somebody and you can actually carbon copy them or BCC others or forward a message on? Yes, that makes communication, collaboration, and working together faster, better, and easier. So let's face it, email is a collaboration tool. Now, email is also a victim of its own success because we have so many email messages in our inbox, we don't know how to deal with them all. We don't have enough hours in the day to actually respond to all those messages. Heard somebody speaking on the weekend, he gets 1,200 emails a day. You can't deal with that. It's just undealable with. You just can't. So, what about tools like SharePoint? So SharePoint is one that allows us to communicate in a way that email can't, with a record, a trail, a history of the communications that have happened and the changes that have been made on a website that is centrally located. My data becomes our data. As opposed to email, yes, officially it's our data, but it's in my inbox, on my computer, in my Exchange account, whatever it is not easily accessible by others. So that's one part, SharePoint. Collaboration made faster, better, and easier. And then here's the other thing that came up in a conversation this morning, the idea of the green aspect. So here at Sector, we've been doing a lot of green initiatives, down to almost zero garbage and recycling everything and all that good stuff, thanks to Veronica here in our office, and an intention to always improve. So when we tie those two things together, think about the idea of working together and green initiatives together, and recognize that sometimes we need to reduce travel because that makes a huge difference on our carbon footprint, and tools such as SharePoint can reduce the amount of travel we need to do. Or actually, take a more obvious collaboration tool is Microsoft Live Meeting, or your GoToMeeting, or the tools that you might want to use for web conferencing. So that's an obvious one. If you can reduce the time it takes to travel, the airfare, the jet fuel, the hotel costs, the taxi costs, all the rest of that stuff, yes, I will admit it. It's better to meet people face to face as opposed to over a web conference or via telephone. But what's the cost benefit? Yes, it's better, but what is the cost associated with that betterness? So I encourage you to consider these tools to make your job faster, better, and easier, and at the same time reduce your carbon footprint in this fair world of ours. So let's just walk over to the window here and just have a look at just how lovely it is here in beautiful Victoria. So this is Jerry Brimacombe, standing by the window and signing off for now. Thanks for listening.